Hello, beautiful soul. Let's channel some messages for you. I'm feeling very sleepy. It's about to be 10:30 in the night, and I was just, before going to sleep, setting some intentions for the month of August because I'm recording this video on 31st of July. It will come later, but yeah, and my intention for August and moving forward the next months to be super prosperous, super magical for all of us. Anyway, let's see what Spirit wants me to tell you. And one thing that Spirit wants me to tell you is like saying, you know, knowing that your energy is very powerful, and you don't let yourself be manipulated, but you manipulate the energy, you alchemize it. There are so many ways that you alchemize the energy, and one of the ways is to set an intention. For example, I intend for my sexual energy to keep me in a very super high, like high confidence, high self-esteem, high self-worth. I intend for my sexual energy to keep me, to move towards building emotional safety in every relationship of mine. I intend for my sexual energy to keep me in a very high, beautiful, and playful energy. I intend for my sexual energy to move towards bringing more play into this world, more fun into this world. And today, when I was going for a walk, what I received was that I intend that only the deep wisdom from Mother Earth will move my mind, body, and heart. Only the deep wisdom from Earth will have influence over me. So when I am saying this, like only Mother Earth will have influence over me, her wisdom. So then nothing will any energy will not be able to move me, because I have already mentioned what I want. Yes, it is like that. What I say so, it is so. And like only the energy that trees, river bodies, and the stars are sending me will have influence over me. Only the wisdom from the stars, the wisdom from the trees, the wisdom from the river bodies will move my mind, body, and heart. So now other things, the fear will not have any power, the doubt will not have, the other people's fearful stories will not have any power. And sometimes just other energies, like we can get involved in friend groups and circles, and now then we are just completely lost in that. Our body is always exhausted. So no, don't do that. Give yourself enough love to give yourself enough love that you rest, you give yourself proper sleep. If you're constantly exhausted, that is not okay. That is not okay. And setting energetic boundaries, that I am not available for anybody who has any malicious intentions, who wants to waste my time. I'm not available for that. I want to be generous. I want to be generous, but I'm not available for. And raising the standard really high. Like, you will not let your child be friends with somebody who is constantly putting them down. So if you are spending time with people who are putting you down, that means that means that you are building a low quality life. You need to become very choosy about who has access to you. It's not that you become you become guarded and you become fearful, like I'm not gonna talk to anybody, I'm not gonna look at anybody, I'm not gonna smile at anybody. In fact, opposite. You know what you desire, you know what you want for your life, and then you walk in the world open hearted, knowing that yes, I want the good for others. Bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. When you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it's just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super, super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful. And if you sense like some people don't have good habits, they don't have, they're not nurturing themselves, they, instead of learning how to communicate their emotions, instead of building healthy practices to nurture their emotion, to like nurture themselves, and emotionally also, getting in touch with their emotions, they don't have that. What they do have instead is numbing habits. They are gossiping, they are constantly gossiping, they are constantly smoking. And because what is smoking? It is numbing. If you don't want that, then don't hang out with people like that. There is no judgment. It's not like you're hating them. No, you're not. You're not. But you get to have standard for yourself. Like, I will only hang out with people who, the people who are allowed in my close circle, who we are building, like nurturing each other's confidence. We are constantly, communicating. Instead of letting the resentment build up, instead of letting the confusion build up, there is communication. There is communication. We are, creatively also nurturing each other. It's very necessary. Like, when group of people come together, there is powerful energy there. So, where is that energy going? Is it going towards creating something beautiful, or is it going towards jealousy, hatred, gossip? And like you need to learn about your sexual energy. Sexual energy is very powerful and it amplifies. So if there is so much hatred inside of you and you are having sex or you're orgasming, then the hatred is gonna amplify. And a lot of people are using their sexual energy in a very wrong manner. We have been misguided. We have weird sexual fantasies. We have we are not taking charge, because taking charge of our sexual energy and like setting powerful intention that I intend for my sexual energy to move towards for the betterment, for the highest good of me. I intend for my sexual energy to only move towards building more softness, to creating more softness in this world. I intend for my sexual energy to move towards deep emotional safety into this world. So, get my ebook, Energetic Activation for Brand New Life, because in that ebook I have set like the prayers, the intentions, the powerful affirmations, the powerful verses. They will do wonders for you. They will like upgrade your life to the max. Super beautiful, super beautiful. Link of that is in my bio, and you can I also have my 3 months of mentorship, like for 3 months working one-on-one with me. You will have a safe space to process your fears, worries, anxieties, ancestral patterns, limiting beliefs that are keeping you small and confused and out of your purpose. But 3 weeks you will have a personal psychic, your personal psychic as well, and with my wisdom, with my skills, you will be able to step into your power, into your confidence, and heal like so much heart, build a life of peace. I'm just feeling a lot of heart, lot of heart energy that I'm feeling. So it will be very good for your heart to be working with me. And I also have my one-on-one psychic guidance session and channel messages. If you need psychic guidance and channel messages for yourself right now, I have my journaling course as well. The wisdom that I have shared inside my journaling course will upgrade your life to the max. Like not upgrade your life, but also like expand you into your next magic era. Yeah, so powerful, the wisdom that I have shared. And let's see if there are any other messages. Both my journaling course, my ebook, very powerful. The super powerful. The wisdom that I've shared inside my journaling course, so powerful. The affirmations and the intentions, the powerful verses that I've mentioned in my ebook. I highly recommend get both of them because so powerful, so incredibly powerful. You know. Yeah. And take care of your energy. Don't let yourself get distracted. Do not let yourself get distracted. Give yourself proper sleep, proper water. Yeah, this today the spirit wants to share this. Yeah. See you. Oh, you can also donate for my and send me tips for my rent, food bills, etc., etc. And be generous with me, okay?